Meeting and greeting. How to greet. Meeting a friend or a close colleague. Rahul meets Vishal. Hi Vishal, how are you? Hi, how do you do? Hello Vishal, how are you doing? Hello Vishal, how is life? Hello, how is it going? Hey Vishal, what's up, buddy? Hey Vishal, how's everything with you? Rahul meets Vishal after a long time. Hi Vishal, glad to see you after a long time. Hi, it's good to see you after such a long time. Hello Vishal, it's a pleasure to see you after a long time. Hello, it's great to see you after ages. Hey Vishal, long time no see. Vishal replies, I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm good, thanks. And you? I am doing well. How are you doing? I'm okay. How are things with you? Great. How about you? Not bad. Nothing much to say though. It's nice to see you too after a long time. Saying goodbye. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye. See you later. Have a nice day. Bye. Catch you later. Take care. Bye. I must be off now. Bye. How to greet. Meeting an elderly person, a business client, a senior colleague, a less familiar or unfamiliar person. Rahul meets Mr. Sen. Hello, Mr. Sen. How are you? Good morning, Mr. Sen. How do you do? Good afternoon, sir. Pleased to meet you. Good evening, sir. I'm Rahul. It's a pleasure to meet you. Hello, Mr. Sen. I am Rahul Roy. Nice to meet you. Mr. Sen replies, Hello, Rahul. I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Good morning. I'm great, thanks. How about you? Good afternoon, Rahul. The pleasure is mine. Hello, Rahul. I am Sumit. Nice to meet you too. Saying goodbye. It was nice to talk with you, sir. Have a great day. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you, Mr. Sen. I look forward to seeing you again. It was wonderful to talk with you, Mr. Sen. I must be going. Have a nice day. It was great talking to you. I must be going. I have got to finish the project I'm working on by today. See you again. Goodbye. great topics to start a friendly conversation. Topic 1. Weather. It's a beautiful weather today, isn't it? It is. I'm just loving the clear blue sky and the cool breeze. Let's hope it doesn't get cloudy and start raining. It's so hot and humid today. I am sweating like a pig. It really is a very uncomfortable weather. One can hardly stay out in the sun even for a minute. Topic 2. Physical appearance. Wow, Nafisa, you are looking so pretty in the red and black outfit you are wearing. Thanks, Zoya. It was gifted to me by my sister on my last birthday. By the way, your bag looks cool. Thanks. I bought it online from Amazon. Topic 3. Sports. Did you watch the football match yesterday, Sam? I couldn't believe we lost. Well, we just had a bad day, Mike. Our team played really well, but the penalty goal made all the difference. Topic 4. TV shows or movies. Did you watch the Kapil Sharma show on TV yesterday? My favorite hero, Salman, was looking simply awesome. Unfortunately, I missed the show because I was at a meeting with my client. I'll surely view the repeat telecast this Saturday. Topic 5. Job. How's your work going on? Just fine. I got a promotion at work recently. And you? Not too bad, but I'm looking for work from home options with flexible working hours.